Hello, Pestilence here with another unusual lock. And I need to get my couple of different size magnifying glasses. Try to get the dust off of them. This one is nice because it has a little light on it. Okay, so this has little prongs on the bottom, and it is limited with, I believe it's 3. Oh, I thought it was 4. Let's see, 1 letter, 2. Looks like only 3 letters on each wheel. There are 5 wheels. And it's different because it has these little prongs on the bottom here at the base. It's all brass, and it has a star stamped on each side. And let's see if I can get the letters lined up. Okay, that's the letter. Get those down. Okay, there we go. Unfortunate things about this is that somebody decided to clean it up, shine it up, which is never good. And so, as a result, they may have removed some of the lettering on here. See if I can find which one it is. Okay. As you can see, it looks like it has some dents in it. Could be that at one time that was some lettering, or maybe it's just, maybe somebody dropped it or something. Okay, here. I'll get it behind here and see if I can make it easier to see. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. I'll turn the light off. Quiet, stomach. There, you should be able to see that. If I can keep my hand from shaking. Okay, it says Yale. And further down, it's really tough to see, but I was sure that that the clover leaf was on there too. But as I said, it really does look like somebody did a number on this thing trying to clean it up. As for how old this is, I really don't know. I did some research and found one other lock that resembled this. That lock, they only had one view of it, and it was a back view of it. So you really couldn't, it was like that. You didn't. They only had one shot, so you couldn't see the sides of it or get any kind of idea of who made it. But it had the same shape on each side. It looked exactly like this from what I could see. So that is a Yale lock. And the other lock that I saw, they claimed that it was from the 1940s. So, don't know. I've looked in my Yale catalogs and I did not see anything resembling this. The only catalog that I've seen a lock, and it wasn't even like, it wasn't this type, it was more like the French lock that I have that has the shackle that swings up. And that was made by, I think it was the Miller Lock Company, the same ones that make the pancake lock. And that one, I believe, was in a catalog from the 30s, maybe. So this could be around that time. Not really sure, though. I did think it was interesting, and I did want it just because it was made by Yale. Outside of that, though, it's it is what it is. That's the shape it's in, and how it looks is how it is. So just one of those things where you put it in a collection, and not much more can be done with it. So there you go. I hope you found that interesting. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.